In this video, let's see how to select, convert, and download a bank statement PDF into a CSV file. Click on the Bank Statement model to select it for conversion. Then click anywhere inside the drop zone. From there, select a file to convert. Click on the Convert button to initiate the file conversion process. If your file is more than 3 pages, it will be sent to the queue for asynchronous processing. Click on the Go to Files button to view the processed file, or simply click the Documents link in the navigation menu. Once your file has finished processing, click on the View icon to open the Document Details modal. Click on the Download button to download the converted CSV file attachment. Your file will then be downloaded to your computer. Click on the Close button to exit the Document Details modal. You have successfully converted your file with LedgerBox.